How to make a kindness jar. In this activity video, you'll learn how to spread kindness, how to write down your good deeds, and a fun way of celebrating your accomplishments with kindness. Let's create a magical kindness jar that fills your heart with joy. When you create your jar, you can use your own creativity to make it extra special. First, we're gonna need to gather supplies. You will need a mason jar or a jar of your choice. Gather ribbon. The ribbon could be simple or extravagant, whatever your heart desires. Next, get a label, paper, color pencils, and scissors. Finally, you'll need something fun to put in the jar. Your choice could be dry flowers, hearts, little photos, Legos, whatever you wish. Remember, you can be as creative as you want. You can have a simple, elegant jar or a fun, colorful one. Let it suit your personality. Once you have your supplies, get ready to make your kindness jar. You can first fill the bottom of the jar with dried flowers, or the pretty or cute things you prefer. Some kids love to put colorful Legos, hearts, or colorful string in there. Select your ribbon and make it as fancy as you like. Next, make a label that says "My Kindness Jar." Affix it to your jar and you are all set to go. Now, let's reflect. How does it feel to be kind to others? What was your favorite kind thing you did this week? Did someone do something kind for you? Write something positive down on a piece of paper for today and drop it in your kindness jar. Every day, you can write about one moment that made you feel happy and drop the folded piece of paper in the jar. Did you have kind moments that made you feel happy? Mia remembered when she helped Jacob with his homework. Liam wrote about how he saved Zinnia's cat. Isabella loved helping her dad in the garden. Carter loved helping Celeste the bird. Arya wrote about sitting with Orion when he was alone. Olivia wrote about how she held a door open for her friend. Amelia loved making kindness cards for all of her friends. This made her very happy, so she wrote about it and dropped the paper in the jar. Share your kind moments each day with your kindness jar. At the end of the year, open your jar and remember all of the wonderful kind moments that you shared. Collect your jars every year and write the year on the top with a marker to save your memories. With every act of kindness, we show the world our big hearts. Every note in our jar is a spark of love that makes the world better and reminds us of gratitude. Gratitude means noticing all the good things in life, big or small things we are thankful for.
We hope you enjoyed this inspirational activity that will fill your hearts with love and joy. Don't forget to subscribe to Inspiration Kids Club for many more awesome activities to come. Can you please like our video and share with your friends? We would really appreciate your support. Have a wonderful day and we will see you again soon.